How you doing? This is part 2 to the sales process. All right, we made the call, we've set the appointment, and we've shown up and we've built that rapport. We've gained that trust with them. We've talked about the personal stuff. Now it's time to find out what they need. We need to come with open-ended questions on a notebook so we know what to ask. And then also we can write down great notes so we can recall that information. But we use open-ended questions and not yes or no questions. We ask open-ended questions to help draw out that information, to help promote, to get that customer talking as much as we can. When they're sharing a need, don't be afraid to say, hey, tell me more about this. Can you please elaborate? The more details, the more you get down in the weeds, the better. Once they have communicated a need to you, then this point, then you repeat that back to them to make sure the way you understood it is the way they intended to communicate it. This will help build trust. This will also help them feel like you really are interested in their needs more than the next guy. Most people don't do this. See, most people, they just show up and they just start talking about their company. They start talking about their products and they haven't asked a single question yet. So what you need to do is get the open-ended questions, find out their needs, down to the detail and write it down so you can go back and make a plan. Once you've gathered all your details, at this point, you need to make an appointment. Get a commitment from that prospect or that customer to meet at a later time. And we're gonna go make a plan for that next meeting. Y'all have a great day.